Hello, this is HDMI to VGA converter. This one is not functional, so let's see what's inside. I will use this multifunctional tool. So in HDMI part it's all sealed in plastic and rubber, and let's see out here what's inside. Okay. So in here we have some electronics. There are these wires, so it's not just dumb wires. And this is the reason why this is not working, because the blue wire are not sealed correctly. Okay, in here we can see that there's what's this? It's condensators, resistance, and some integrated circuit. That's it. I hope you like this video. Bye.